Are you looking to switch up your Twitter profile to showcase your love for dance and nightclubs? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to switch your profile to dance and nightclub on Twitter using your PC. Step 1. Start by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of your screen. This is where your profile customization journey begins. Next, click on the button in the top right that says Edit Profile. Once you click on this button, you're one step closer to transforming your profile. Now scroll down until you find the option that reads Edit Professional Profile. Click on this option to delve further into customizing your profile. Moving on to Step 4. Click on Category. This is where you'll be able to indicate the specific category you want your profile to represent. In Step 5, once the category options appear, search for Dance and Nightclub and select it. This choice will reflect your passion for the vibrant dance and nightclub scene. Finally, click on Save to solidify your new profile setting. Your Twitter profile is now updated to represent dance and nightclub, adding a personalized touch to your online presence. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully switched your profile to dance and nightclub on Twitter, letting your followers know more about your interests. So go ahead and give it a try.